Sunday afternoon. Got some suction power going on there. Teal, orange, yellow, blue, and we've got black over there, and underneath we've got pink, green, lime green, right down there, and pink is right there, and another one over there. I think it's red underneath blue. Right over there. We got one sleeping over here. I think that's yellow. There they are. Nope, that's not yellow sleeping. It's another one. There it is.